Welcome back to the Pilots of the Caribbean monthly drone news episode. And for the July 2025 edition, we have a lot of developments and important updates from across the region and beyond. So here's what we're going to be getting to today. 19 Labs launches the world's most advanced civilian drone service. Montserrat maps resilience with drone technology. Antigua and Barbuda gets farming boost with agricultural drones. Curacao bans drone flights over security concerns. And Insta360 takes aim at DJI. Let's get into it. In our first story, 19 Labs has officially launched its Gale Force drone service commercially, aiming to revolutionize global rural healthcare and emergency response. This advanced civilian drone was developed in partnership with IDB Labs and is equipped with cutting-edge Starlink connectivity for reliable communication, NVIDIA AI for safe autonomous operation, and is specifically designed to reach remote communities. This service's first successful commercial flight saw it delivering medications and collecting lab samples in rural Guyana, showcasing its two-way delivery capability for both incoming supplies and outgoing samples. 19 Labs has ambitious plans for a phased expansion across Guyana's challenging hinterland communities, with discussions already underway to bring this service to other countries in Latin America and beyond. The Gale Force drone boasts impressive features including a 200-kilometer range, a cruising speed of 90 kilometers an hour, all-weather operability with an IP67 rating, and a crucial chilled cargo compartment to maintain the integrity of medical supplies like vaccines and blood samples. This initiative directly addresses the challenges of providing access to quality care and essential resources for the estimated 1 billion people in the world living in rural and underserved areas, integrating seamlessly with 19 Labs' existing telemedicine and real-time data systems. To learn more about 19 Labs and what they are doing in Guyana, I'll leave a link in the description to my interview with the 19 Labs CEO, Mr. Ram Fish. Next up, we head to Montserrat, where they are actively integrating geospatial technologies and drone applications into their national resilience and disaster preparedness strategy. Friend of the channel and guest of the podcast, Laverne Rogers-Ryan, who is the head of the GIS unit in the government of Montserrat, emphasizes GIS's crucial role driven by her personal experiences with the island's volcanic eruptions. GIS has been instrumental in various applications, from supporting election logistics by mapping polling divisions to critical risk assessment and land use planning, identifying high-risk zones like Little Bay and Davy Hill for targeted mitigation. The GIS team specifically utilizes drones, including the Delair UX-11, several DJI models, and have recently been trained on the Trinity F90 Plus. Beyond terrestrial mapping, they've expanded to coastal and marine environments, conducting bathymetric surveys to understand seafloor data vital for assessing storm, surge risk, and coastal erosion. The GIS unit is fostering community engagement through radio discussions and classroom visits, and is developing an online web GIS platform to provide public access to real-time geospatial data, aiming for a more sustainable future for the island. I just want to add a congratulations to Laverne and the team for the recognition of the work that they've been putting in. And if you're interested in learning more about Laverne and the work that she is a part of in Montserrat, I will leave a link in the description for her interview on the Pilots of the Caribbean podcast. Up next, we head to Antigua and Barbuda, where they are leveraging agricultural drones, specifically DJI Agras T40 models, to revolutionize farming practices and promote climate-smart agriculture. This initiative is part of the Global Environment Facility-funded Path to 2020 project, spearheaded by the Sustainable Island Resource Framework Fund and the Department of Environment. This program aims to provide farmers with access to advanced technologies that would typically be cost-prohibitive, promoting sustainable and climate-resilient agriculture. The drones enable farmers to precisely monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and apply fertilizers or pesticides more efficiently, leading to increased yields and reduced waste. Officials from the Global Environment Facility and the United Nations Environment Programme have praised Antigua and Barbuda's innovative community-led approach to climate adaptation. This project is a key component of a broader blended finance strategy by the DOE and SIRF Fund, combining financial support with crucial technical assistance to enhance national food security. Next up, Curacao, where they have implemented a 3-year ban on drones and low-altitude aircraft flights in a specific radius around the U.S. consulate and the Central Bank of Curacao and St. Martin. The restriction covers a 250-meter radius around the buildings and extends up to 1,300 feet, which is approximately 400 meters in height. Now, this measure was put in place due to escalating security concerns following a direct request from the U.S. Consul General. The decision comes in response to incidents at other U.S. diplomatic missions globally, where drones have been reportedly used for hostile surveillance and even to deploy improvised explosive devices. All U.S. diplomatic personnel have been advised to regard any low-flying drones near their facilities as potential security threats. Now, while the ban is comprehensive, the Minister of Traffic, Transport and Urban Planning does retain the authority to grant exemptions for specific drone flights within the restricted zone. Now, this action reflects a growing global trend of heightened awareness regarding the potential misuse of unmanned aerial vehicles near sensitive government and diplomatic facilities. Last but certainly not least, the drone market leader, DJI, is facing a significant new competitive threat as Insta360, known for its 360-degree cameras, has officially announced its new drone brand, Antigravity. Antigravity directly aims to compete with DJI in the consumer drone market by introducing a 360-degree camera drone designed for creativity and fun, targeting a broad audience. The upcoming anti-gravity drone, set for release in August, is teased to feature a 360-degree video capture with an 8K camera and will weigh under 249 grams, a first for an 8K 360-degree camera drone, allowing it to bypass certain drone regulations. Head of marketing at Antigravity states their drone will redefine what a drone should be, focusing on empowering emotion and experiences over just technical specifications. The move signifies a heating up of the rivalry, with DJI venturing into the 360-degree camera space and Insta360 directly challenging DJI's drone dominance, potentially leading to exciting advancements in the consumer drone space. And we are here for it. Now, that was it for the July edition of Caribbean Drone News. As usual, if you think I've left anything out, or if there's a story that you would like covered, please feel free to drop us an email, reach out to us on social media, and I will make sure to include it in the next edition. Until next time, take care.